This time, the budget stood on six pillars, and as it was actually reported, it was on health and well-being, then about the capital and the infrastructure. It also said about the inclusive development. It also talks about how the human capital can be actually channelized.
About the budget, I would rate it as 9 upon 10 or even higher.
There has been a provision for about 20,000 crores of commitment for recapitalization of the PSU banks. That itself shows that definitely the banking sector is going to face some stress, because of which the NPAs are going to increase.
As a student of economics, we should understand is there was a need for deficit financing. That 3% threshold has been let go of, and rightly so.
So had it been a scenario that we would have been growing regularly on our normal trajectory, if our growth rate would have been on a normal trajectory of 8 to 10%, I think we would have been in the neighborhood of $5 trillion, if not $5 trillion. When we really talk about any intervention on the technology side, in the past, the way the government was kind of spending on the technology was more on the government side.
If you are a compliant SSC, you need not worry. You have only a 3 years time frame to explain, if at all, and get away with that. So they are actually encouraging compliance and penalizing very badly, very heavily all the non-compliant people.
I think the government, on the other hand, instead of kind of taking away any additional cess or any additional money from the common man, they have kind of very, very well allocated the funds into three major sectors. Or that these are the sectors which are going to be the sectors where we will see the maximum employment opportunities, and there will be the fuel growth providers for the overall growth and the development of the economy.
Whenever there's a budget, there are challenges that come up with the government officials, with the government itself, and they try and accommodate everyone's needs.
The government has actually listened to economists as well as politicians in finalizing this budget, I feel. It is actually a kind of good politics as well as to some extent good economics. Most importantly for any budget, implementation and delivery is the key.